Do you want to change the photo background in WhatsApp? You can replace the picture background with Meta AI in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change photo background in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To change a photo background in WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're on the WhatsApp chat screen, scroll down and find Meta AI. You can also open Meta AI by using the WhatsApp search box. On the right side of the text input field, you'll see a camera icon and a voice icon. Tap on the camera icon. Now, you'll see various photos from your device gallery. Find and select the photo you want to edit to change the background. Once selected, type "Change background" of the uploaded photo in the text input field. You can also specify a particular background if needed. After typing the prompt, tap on the send icon to the right of the text input field. Meta AI will start changing the background of your uploaded picture. Take a look. Meta AI has automatically updated your photo background. You can now save the edited photo to your device, share it with others, or upload it to social media.